So there's the chapel right there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inessa Rain. For those who are new, welcome. To the returning subscribers, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in a different background and I'm enjoying the scenery. I'm at the lake. The view is awesome. I'm gonna show you guys the view again. I'm here just chilling, relaxing, meditating on God. My life update has been challenging. I read my Bible, I say my praise. I thank God for waking me up this morning to see this awesome, beautiful place I'm gonna show you guys. This is how the lakes look. It's a place that you could just come and relax. That I never come here. I always pass through here every afternoon when I head home, and I said I need to come here. It is beautiful. My daughter's in middle school. She got a lot of homework piles up on me. I have to be under her case. Having a middle school is not easy. It's really challenging. I just wanted to come up here to just tell you guys what I've been going through, share the nice scenery with you guys. I'm happy to relax my mind. It feels so good. I think this is the perfect scenery. I'm not gonna stay long here. I'm just gonna stay for a little while, head back home, trying to... I never had anxiety in my life. I didn't even know how anxiety feel. The first anxiety I had a terrible meltdown. I didn't want to be around nobody. I tried to entertain myself along with somebody, but somebody's supposed to entertain me. Nobody didn't know what I was going through. My moods are like up and down. As you can see, the wind is blowing. I haven't felt this wind in such a while. I thank God the Most High for being with me. If it wasn't for him, I don't know where I would be. I'm gonna stay here. It's like 10:14. I'm gonna stay here like probably like 10:30. 10:45, just enjoying the scenery. It's really quiet here and the sun is shining in on the lake. Really a nice place to meditate, to relax your brains, come here for lunch and eat and just watch the water moving. At the same time I want to cry, but I can't cry. I miss my grandmother. Miss her very much. It's already a year since she passed away. That was July. Can't believe she's gone, but I know she's watching me in heaven. I still feel her presence. Just wish she was here. Her birthday's in November. I wanted to do something special. This would be a good place to just throw up the balloons in the air, but I don't know if I could do it here, you know, do it by the lake and just say a prayer. I hope she's watching us, and I know she's our angel to protect us. She will always be in my heart. Another thing, I'm working on my life. Want to be a Christian, but I feel like I need Christian people in my life to support me, to show me what is out there, to encourage me, because right now I need some encouragement. I even think I saw a fish. Maybe it's a fish or maybe it's a frog, but I see something bubbling in the water. Now that's creepy, but I think I see something. Oh, there's a chapel on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's somewhere behind of me. I'm gonna show you guys the chapel, show you guys how it looks. The scenery is gorgeous. And it being like, what, 15 minutes? So it's like 10:19. I'm gonna end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit this notification bell to get more uploaded videos. See you on the next video. Peace out. I love you guys. See ya. So there's the chapel right there. The girl's still staying there, and this is a beautiful view. Not going too close. There is something in the water, but I don't know what it is, and I hope it's not an alligator. I don't know if you see something pointed right there. It's gone. Oh, look it right there. Ooh, that's an alligator. Oh no. Let's go back forward. That was an alligator. It looked like the nose though. But we're leaving from here, because I ain't getting bite. Not even bite. Chew up. But that looked like an alligator. But this is the view. I'll just walk around. And this is the sign. It says, no fishing, danger, alligators and snakes in the area. Stay away from the water. Do not feed the wildlife. Heading back that part for the chapel. See how beautiful it is. More birds. I don't know what bird it is. It's a bird right here. Right there. I'll be back. This is the bridge that I'm gonna cross over, and this is the chapel. I'll take a picture. She says it opens. See how it looks inside. I'm just curious. Pretty awesome. Let's see who these people are. Probably halfway. Just had to say a little moment of prayer to God. Let Him help me, dear Lord. You nice. So pretty. This is the congregation. Heading back to the car. Oh, like this oak tree or whatever it is. I don't know what kind of tree it is. I just learned today, you see those things in a tree? It's called Spanish moss. I never know the name. Somebody told me it was moss, but I didn't know actually what was the name. And I live in Florida for what, 7 years, and I just found out from a YouTuber it's called Spanish moss. It's in a lot of trees, but it doesn't do you anything. This is another building. I have no idea what it is, but we're gonna find out. This is the side of the building of the chapel. I don't know what it is. It's like a center. I have to Google this to see what it means. Like a dessert. Oh, that's the same girl who told me that's a chapel. And there's my baby, my Sylvia.